Have you ever made this statement? I really know this stuff, but I can't apply it to test questions. I hear that all the time, but here's the deal. That's like your only job on exam day, taking all that stuff you really know and applying it to test questions. And if you believe that's your weakness, application, then it's very likely that you haven't generalized your knowledge beyond the content that you're studying. So think about programming for generalization and how we do that with our clients. Well, how about some of that ABA on yourself? Use multiple exemplars. Study using different books. Review the relevant research articles. Use different modalities. Talk about ABA with others. And make sure that no matter how it's presented, that you understand it. Generalization. Do you only understand the ABA in your notes or on some app or only when it's simplified? Do you get stuck when the language is too jargony? That's a generalization problem and therefore an application problem. You have to have strong application skills to pass, and answering correctly means that you have that ability to apply your knowledge to test questions. You got this.